Does leftover cold lay tarmac require special disposal to avoid environmental harm? Cold lay tarmac that has hardened should be treated as construction waste and handled accordingly. Do not pour it down drains or mix it with general household waste. If the material remains soft, contain it on an impermeable surface and allow it to cure fully before removal to prevent leachate entering soil or waterways. For hardened material, break it into manageable pieces and separate any soil or organic contamination so recyclers can assess it. Many asphalt recyclers accept cured cold lay tarmac as feedstock for asphalt recycling or for use as aggregate replacement. When recycling is not available, take the material to a licensed construction and demolition waste facility where it can be processed or disposed of under local regulations to avoid illegal dumping. Never wash excess binder or fines into storm drains or sewers, because polycyclic aromatic compounds and oils can contaminate water and harm aquatic life. Keep small volumes dry and contained. Use a broom and dustpan rather than water for cleanup, and store any collected waste in clearly labeled containers until transfer to an appropriate facility. Common mistakes include assuming you can dispose of cold lay tarmac with general curbside trash, which can lead to rejection at transfer stations. Instead, call your local waste authority or construction waste facility for instructions. A second mistake is trying to flush residues or wash down tools into drains, which risks environmental contamination. Wipe tools and allow residues to cure, then scrape into containers for proper disposal. A third issue is failing to check recycler acceptance criteria, resulting in wasted trips and delays. Contact recyclers ahead of time, describe the material condition and quantity, and follow their preparation requirements to maximize the chance of acceptance. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and waste facilities by listing services and letting users share experiences. We host a discussion community so homeowners and contractors can ask questions, trade practical tips, and find referrals for responsible disposal and recycling options.